Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you're following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there which you should not miss. Scoring less in mock tests. I know this is the time, December, November is the time when all the institutes are taking mock tests. Everyone is telling you to take mock tests as law aspirants. Like if you've started preparing from a good time, everyone says that chalo ab mock test le lo, syllabus ho gaya, everything is done. And there are times when you score less in mock tests and you feel like so bad. So in this video we're going to talk about that. But सबसे पहले motivational pill for law aspirants by Logiri. Now I always wanted to do such videos wherein it acts like wherein I talk to you guys, and if you're feeling low, if you're not feeling like studying, you're like all pepped up after watching the video and you're like, okay, fine, I got to study, right? So this is the first motivational pill for all of you guys out there. I'll try to do more and more. So yeah, let's get into the video. Scoring less in marks can be a big worry for law aspirants. It can be depressing and you might feel that this exam is not for you. Hello, I can understand because I have been there. I can totally get you. You might start looking for alternative law schools even. You might even give up on your preparation thinking that this exam is too difficult and you being an average student won't be able to clear this exam. Well, wait. Majority of the students face this problem. So the good news is that you're not alone. But there are two choices, and out of these two choices, every aspirant has to make one. One is to give up and the other is to improve. There are ways that you can improve your score. Firstly, you should not panic or be anxious. Second is to analyze. Analyze the kind of questions that were there in the mock test. Was the mock test the type it should be? Make sure it is not the case wherein the degree of difficulty level of the mock test was too high. There can be a case wherein the difficulty level of the mock test was so high that that is the reason that you couldn't score good. Next is analyze that were these questions from the topics that you're yet to cover, and were those questions the ones that took your score down? Obviously things are clear. If that was the case, then I think the scenario would be clear to you that you're yet to cover those topics. So when once you cover those topics, you are good to go. Now the next is, if nothing of the above happened, then is it the case where you actually studied a topic but you did not focus much on understanding the concept and you thought it is done, but actually you need to work on the basics again? There can be a case wherein you think you've done the topic but you did not really work on the basics, or you did not practice much, and when it was there in the mock test you were not able to correctly attempt it. Then obviously you can go back to that topic, you can go back to your topics and reread, or you can just work on your basics or practice the questions, whatever is the case wherein you are doing what your coaching institute is teaching and are not having your own plan. Now, I've seen a lot many of you, what you do is you've joined a coaching institute but you do not have your own plan. You're just covering those topics which your coaching institute is teaching you in the classes. Guys, having your own plan is very important, and if this is the reason that you're scoring less, then also I should tell you that you should go for self study. You should have your own plan beside the plan of the institution, and you should make sure that you analyze the question paper by yourself also, so that you know that what you have to study to clear the exam. Okay, if this is the case, then analyze the previous year question papers, look at the syllabus. I've done the videos, I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. Or is it the case wherein you couldn't manage time and you were not able to attempt the entire paper? If that is the case, then you should attempt more and more full-length question papers. Before attempting them, you should decide some things. Number one is how much time you will be allotting to each section, right? Keep a watch and make sure that you try to finish every section in that time limit. If this doesn't work, don't panic. Instead, after attempting the mock, try to change the time allotment that you have given to each section. Also, it is not that by attempting two full length mocks, you will be able to be accurate and finish the paper in stipulated time. It is practice that is going to make things work for you. Or you might have had a fear when you saw the full length mock test for the first time, which is completely fine. It means you need to put yourself in this situation again and again to make yourself comfortable with that fear, or you can just kick out that fear, or you can just learn to solve questions while you are under stress and handle stress. So giving full length mock tests is very important. I've talked about the importance of mock tests in one of my videos. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. And I've also talked that how you should analyze it and everything. I've leave the link to that video in the description box below. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you super soon. Bye. तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।